Pretty much all of us have had the experience of having some kind of success and feeling really good about it, and then it doesn't last, and it's disappointing. And there's this belief that because we felt good about it, especially if we've talked about it, that we've jinxed it. You should just keep it quiet and not celebrate it and not let anyone know because then you're going to jinx it. Or if you even put out an idea of something you'd like to have, that's going to jinx it. And let's uh, let's process that so that you can allow yourself the joy of celebrating things without that fear. So, taking full responsibility for your own well-being, even though I'm afraid of jinxing it, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I'm afraid of jinxing my success, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though I'm afraid of jinxing my success, either some success that I've already achieved or some success that I would like to achieve. Part of me says that if I talk about it, I'll jinx it. And even though I'm afraid of jinxing my success, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who contributes to this fear. All this fear of jinxing my success. All this fear of jinxing my success. All this fear that if I talk about it, or even worse, feel good about it, I'm going to stop it from happening. And if it's already happened, and I'm allowing myself to celebrate that, that'll jinx it and I'll lose it. And I'm processing this fear. I choose to release it. Celebrating success doesn't take it away. Celebrating future successes doesn't stop it from happening. When I lose something, or I stop it from happening, it's often because there's some fear. A fear that I don't deserve that achievement, that it's somehow not safe to have it. It's the fear that gets in the way. It's not that the celebration jinxed it. I don't jinx success by feeling good about it. I don't jinx success by talking about it. Imagine an architect trying to create a building and someone saying, don't draw up the blueprints, that'll jinx it. The moment you commit it to paper ruins it. I'm clearing this fear. And while I'm clearing this fear of jinxing it, I'm clearing the fear of achieving the success. I'm allowing myself to feel good about it already. It's going to be so awesome when I have this. It's awesome already just thinking about it. And I'm feeling awesome about the things I've already achieved. And I'm releasing any fear of jinxing it. The more fear I release, the more likely the successful outcome is. I choose to be open to the possibility that celebrating the success, current success as well as future successes, actually makes them more likely. That celebration is good for achieving success. So I'm releasing the old fear that it jinxed it. It's an old misunderstanding. Somebody not recognizing that it was fear that caused the problem and blaming it on the celebration. I'm clearing up that misunderstanding and I'm celebrating my successes, past, present, and future. And I choose to love myself in the process, in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath, let it go, recognizing that, you know, creating that image, feeling really good about it, celebrating it in advance is what helps manifest it. So let go of that old superstition about jinxing it and, release the fears of achieving what you want and go out and create it. And when there's other stuff that might get in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.